Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with Group 2 from IPSE 2021. So, I'm Fani Ulya Karimah with student ID 21017556 and my team, Jihan. Could you introduce yourself?
Okay, hello everyone. So my name is Azhara Puteri with student ID 2100579. Next is Khaliza.
Hello guys, my name is Khaliza Zain with student ID 21022203. Next is Nida.
And the last? Yes. Hello Nida.
Hi, my name is Nida Sayyidah and my student ID 210207 and 1.
Okay. So, after the two virtual labs, before this, we today lessons, right? Titration. Did you know about the titrations, of known concentrations, is used to determine the concentration of an unknown solution. Typically, the known solution is added from a burette to a known quantity of the analyzed known solution until the reaction is complete. Like we know that from the changes of. So we use some simulation, the virtual simulation, like you see in this screen. So Nida, could you explain us about what we need in this simulation?
Okay, in this simulation or in this virtual lab, we need some apparatus. Thus are, okay, so this is the apparatus we need in this virtual lab. That is 250 milliflash. We add it, and then we add also the burette, and then we need pipette. We use 25 millipipette. Okay, that is for the apparatus. And now we move to the materials. The materials for this virtual lab, thus are NaOH 100 milli, and then KHP 25 milli, and then the phenolphthalein also. So that is for the material. Please, Fani.
Okay, thank you, Nida. Okay, after we complete the apparatus and the material, so let's start the simulations with Khaliza and Jihan. So, what's the first step that we have to do in this simulation of the titrations, Gigi or Khaliza?
Okay, the first step we should set the material and the apparatuses. As you can see here, there are many kinds of apparatuses and materials. And then for the second step is pour 50 milliliters NaOH into the burette. 50 milliliters. Okay, after we pour NaOH, we need to pour 10 milliliters KHP into the 250 milliliters flask. We use pipette to transfer it. Ten milliliters. Okay, after that, the procedure will be explained by Khaliza. Please, Khaliza.
Okay, thank you, Jihan. The next step is drop phenolphthalein into KHP around 5 ml. After that, put the flask under burette and pour the sodium hydroxide slowly until the unknown acid changes the color. We can see the changes of the color and what the next step is. The last but not least, analyze difference of bill of sodium hydroxide and burette and write the data. So that's the procedure of titration, and I will to go back to Fani.
Okay, thank you. So, this process, the ending of the changing of the titran, right? Titran and titrat. No, the titrat. You know that term? Titrat is something concentration concentrations that we know, and the titrat is something that that we unknown, you know. But yeah, we just choose, but there's some things that we known and unknown from this. And after this, we only calculate the data, isn't it? So maybe that's all for us from Group 2. I hope it can be useful for all of us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.